iPhone wall charger that you hang on your wall, plug into an outlet, simply drop your phone in and charges. Open up the box, show you what comes inside. You have your hardware to hang on the wall, nicely packaged, wrapped up. Your instruction guide, how to hang. A template, 3M. Metal, insulation, your cables, your brackets, your device. Black plate, simply just slide down, comes off. Hang on the wall where you want your phone charger. Our demonstration purposes, we're going to simply show you how this hangs up. You're given these little tabs. You can simply drop one in. Plug this into your favorite outlet. For example, a charger's power port. On the inside, you got these little push pins. They're very soft, made of rubber, silicone. And all you need to do is take your phone, drop it into the case, and it's fast charging, just like that. These are spacers that allow to adjust the wireless charger to the center of the area. It works with cases or without cases for recent to phones of iPhones. Enjoy your product if you're looking for a wall charger to charge your phone anywhere you want to put these. Thank you for viewing.